Paul Prendergast, CEO of Inhance Technology. A little about our company. We're an Irish company going about 10 years, so we do most of our business in North America. We came out with some of the first on-device security programs around smartphones, working with some really big companies over here. So today at CTIA we're launching Inhance Trade. So it's the first cloud-based smartphone trade-in program globally. So we see trade-in as a pretty interesting area to focus on. It's quite a low-tech solution in the mobile device space right now. I think we're offering a lot of technology to improve it. We've partnered with a number of the big trade-in providers in North America. We've just signed an agreement with Ingram in Canada for distribution, so we're very excited. The industry seems to be very excited. For us, trade-in is a way of getting closer to your customer. It's all about customer loyalty. The big change and the movement from old feature phones to smartphones, that's done, that's finished. So now people need to keep their customers longer and get closer to their customers. So that's the context that we're in right now. So exactly what we do, so we hook in, we get on device, whether through our library, onto existing applications, for example, a large carrier application, then we can turn on all those applications and turn it into a trade-in engine. So we can get we do on-device diagnostics, so our trade-in partners can give a much better price for that device. So it allows personalized pricing direct to that device. So we, number one, tell our partners what the device is today. Number two, we work out that is this device in good working order, and three, we get a real-time valuation today for that device. So when somebody instead of doing a blanket program, when say the iPhone 6S comes out saying, hey, you might get $300, we're able to say, this Samsung S4 right now today is worth $182. You have 24 hours, please come back into this particular store and redeem the trade-in solution. So trade-in right now is a very reactive program, so we want to make it much more proactive, and it's all about getting customers back into our partners' stores, whether it be carriers or national retailers. So very exciting time for us.
And so for customers, does that means that they're going to get more for their phone, right?
Exactly. So they're able to rely on that pricing a lot more than just a generalized pricing offer. So they can go back in and they can trust that price a lot more, because we're dragging a lot more information on the on-device diagnostics back to the trade-in guy, so he doesn't have to build in any buffer for risk. So the consumer gets, we find right now the trade-in is almost an afterthought after somebody arrives in the store. So they've come in, they've decided to buy, and then they're offered a trade-in. So we have our outreach program, which is managed through our management portal for our partners. And the great thing about it, it's a win-win for consumer. Typically, we only message them when their contract is coming up for renewal. So they only get messaged at the right time, and it's real value for these guys. And it's interesting, a lot of people would have bought devices that would have been heavily subsidized, and they don't really realize that they could have $300, $400, $500 worth of devices at home, and they just give it to their kid brother, right? So they don't use it to go back in and use it for accessories, etc., and buy a better device, and they can afford that. So we give a lot of visibility to the consumer and get more dollars in their pocket for sure.